You know what time it is. And you're like, hold on, Billy. Billy, hold on. Mom's gonna put your neat sheet on.
Drop.
Yes, guys, it is that time again for another unboxing, and this time this is the August unboxing of the Daily Goodie Box. And guys, I am so excited to show you all what is inside. I am not gonna waste a lot of time. Let's go ahead and get into this because this box is heavy and I'm ready to see what it is. There we go. As always, you'll receive a welcome note inside of your box. And, ooh. So this first one here is from Wholeberry. These are some dried, delicious passion fruit snack rounds. So, okay, I wasn't expecting that. They're little passion rounds a little stuck together, but that's okay. So I pulled one off and this is what it looks like up close. Smells okay. Wow. Wow. Now, I'll be honest, when I first opened it and saw them all hanging together, they were not social distancing. I was kind of worried. But once I was able to get them 6 feet apart, okay. Once I was able to get one and taste it, let me tell you, this is absolutely delicious. It is so good. Tastes exactly like the fruit. And it's very juicy. That's why I'm literally talking and still trying to make sure I don't spit. But this is absolutely delicious. I am in love. That is definitely something that I will be finishing and I will be purchasing. So, I'm gonna need something to wash it down. Now, we met in the past. Oh, we've met. We definitely met in crossing. This is the Coco Luxe Hydration Coconut Water. So I received this in the past in a Daily Goodie Box, maybe a Daily Goodie Box or two. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I was not a fan of coconut water. I'm not gonna lie and say I like something when I know I don't. And I'm sorry, Coco Luxe. Maybe if there's something else that they sell I might like, but this coconut water, I cannot vouch for it. Sorry, guys. This is from Nature Nut. This is a shampoo for dry and damaged hair, such as myself. But yeah, this is a shampoo and it's a nice size bottle. Yeah, but it's crazy. It just seems like whenever I run out of shampoo and conditioner, I always receive something in the mail, and I am not complaining. So happy. What is this? This is NEATsheets. So you get 20 disposable sheets. They said these are attractive protection for shirt and lap, and it's easy to use adhesive tabs, liquid absorbent front and back. And sometimes I have to eat on the go. I end up like that person in the middle. But yeah, these are some NEATsheets that are used to protect you. NEATsheets. I like that they are, okay, individual different patterns. This one is striped. I see that there's like a red and white. And you can also see what it looks like a green or gray and white. You take the adhesive off. This is perfect if you have kids and you're out somewhere and you don't want them to ruin their cute little church outfits or something. And you're like, hold on, Billy. Billy, hold on. Mom's gonna put your neat sheet on. And see, you don't have to worry about a spill. And it's long too. Oh, and it has extra grip, okay? It is on here nice. and secure. So I'm gonna lay that to the side because I actually want to use that later because I mean I don't wanna ruin my shirt. So this next item here is a protein bar, and this is called a Rowdy bar in the flavor chocolate coconut cashew. Sounds good. Lately, the protein bars I've been tasting have been good. I don't know. This one might be able to be another winner. We'll see. That is good. This tastes like those granola bars that have the little chocolate chips in them. The ones that are not as healthy as these. Good. Yum, yum. Ooh, I got some spices. Now, I love to cook, so when I see something like this, I get super excited. So, this is chicken salt, all-purpose seasoning, and this is vegan barbecue. I'm already planning my next meal, okay? I want to smell it. Oh, that smells so good. I am going to go Rachel Ray on this. So, pretty. Oh, and it looks like it actually might be my color. This is so cute. This is a fingernail polish here from Be Shea, and it is so pretty. That is such a pretty color. Oh, and look, I don't have any polish on. I'm gonna try one and see how it looks. Perfect day to try out Be Shea. Oh, Be Shea. Oh. Okay, is that just the cute little top as decoration? And then this brings you to, that could be it. And then this brings you to the Be Shea. That's a gorgeous color. Let's try it out. It seemed as if they found a fingernail polish that is perfect for my melanin. Okay, shout out to the melanin, baby. You guys are getting all close in here. Look at that. Was not expecting to find myself painting all of my nails, but it was so pretty. I was just like, forget it. I'm doing it. So yeah, do I like this? It's obvious. Well, this one is air drying. Let's get into the next one. So this is from Rejuva Minerals, and this is the Tinted Moisturizer Ultra Sheer with natural minerals, and it is infused with firming peptides. Seems like it's offering a lot, but I also like this packaging. This is really pretty. It's a product. Oh, I've come to the end. I truly enjoyed this unboxing, guys. If you like to give me a thumbs up, comment down below. If you've ever purchased a daily goodie box, or if you are excited and you would like to receive one as well. Guys, like I said, I will have all the information down below in the description box so that you all can get signed up. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next unboxing. Bye.